Samsung appears to be gearing up for a major shakeup in the mid-range smartphone segment with the introduction of three new models in its Galaxy A series: the Galaxy A26, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A56. While mid-range devices are often known for offering a balance between price and features, Samsung's approach this time might be a game changer. The biggest highlight? These phones are rumored to receive 6 major Android updates. If they launch with Android 15, that means they could stay up to date until Android 21. That level of software support is almost unheard of in this category and is typically reserved for flagship devices. Recent teasers shared by Samsung India give a glimpse of what to expect. The teaser videos show a triple camera setup which matches the leaked renders of the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. Although the official launch date has yet to be confirmed, multiple reports suggest that these smartphones could be hitting the market as soon as next month. Given the combination of solid hardware, enhanced cameras, and extended software longevity, Samsung is setting up these devices as strong contenders in the affordable smartphone category. The Galaxy A26 is expected to feature a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, ensuring smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The front camera is likely housed in a U-shaped notch, a design choice seen in some previous Galaxy models. Under the hood, this device might be powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, which should be capable of handling everyday apps and multitasking with ease. Camera-wise, a 50-megapixel main sensor is rumored, promising detailed and sharp images. Powering everything is expected to be a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 25-watt fast charging. This model may launch in 3 color options: black, green, and white. Moving on to the Galaxy A36, this device could step up the design game with a 120Hz OLED display featuring a punch hole cutout for a more modern look. Unlike the A26, this model is rumored to run on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, a chip manufactured using Samsung's Foundry process. The front-facing camera might offer 12 megapixels, which should deliver improved selfies and clearer video calls. Similar to the A26, the battery capacity is likely to remain at 5,000 mAh. With an upgrade of 45-watt fast charging, users could get a significant boost in battery life within a short time. Expected color choices for this variant include black, green, purple, and white. The most premium model in this lineup, the Galaxy A56, is expected to bring the most powerful hardware of the three. It could be powered by the Exynos 1580 processor, which features 4 high-performance cores and an AMD RDNA 3-based graphics processor, making it an ideal choice for gaming and graphics-heavy tasks. The rear camera setup may include a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive shots, and a 5-megapixel macro camera for detailed close-ups. On the front, a 12-megapixel camera is rumored, keeping it in line with the A36's selfie capabilities. Just like its sibling, the A56 could also feature a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Samsung might offer this model in black, green, pink, and white. What truly makes these smartphones stand out is the long-term software support Samsung is promising. Most mid-range phones on the market receive only 2 to 3 major Android updates, but Samsung is reportedly extending this to 6. This means users who invest in these devices won't have to worry about their phone becoming outdated anytime soon. Regular software updates not only bring new features, but also enhance security and overall performance, making these phones a more valuable purchase in the long run. With solid specifications, competitive pricing, and extended software support, Samsung is positioning the Galaxy A26, A36, and A56 as strong contenders in the mid-range category. The real question is whether other brands will follow suit and offer similar software commitments, or if Samsung will dominate this space with its new approach. What are your thoughts on these upcoming smartphones? Share your opinions in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Samsung is gearing up to impress with its upcoming Galaxy A56, a device that's already stirring excitement among tech fans. As we await the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 launch next month, the spotlight has started shifting to the A series, and for good reason. The Galaxy A56 is set to deliver a range of features and upgrades that could redefine what mid-range phones offer. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A56 is its wireless connectivity. Recent certifications have confirmed that this new device will come equipped with Bluetooth version 5.4, a step up from the Galaxy A55's Bluetooth version 5.3. This upgrade, paired with integrated Wi-Fi 6E support courtesy of the Exynos 1580 chipset, ensures a more stable and efficient wireless experience. For those who rely on wireless accessories like earbuds, smart tags, or wearables, this improvement promises fewer interruptions and better performance. The jump to Bluetooth version 5.4 isn't just about incremental improvements, it's about delivering a superior experience. With greater reliability and lower power consumption, this version enhances how you interact with your devices. Whether it's streaming music, tracking your belongings, or sensing notifications, the Galaxy A56 ensures your wireless world operates seamlessly. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 doesn't hold back. Powered by the Exynos 1580 processor, it boasts 4 high-performance cores and an upgraded Eclipse 540 graphics unit. This combination is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, from multitasking to mobile gaming. To keep you powered throughout the day, the device supports 45 watts of fast charging, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected. On the design front, Samsung is bringing subtle but impactful changes. Leaked renders reveal a flat-edge frame that adds a modern, minimalist touch to the phone's overall aesthetic. It's a clean, refined look that balances style with functionality, making the Galaxy A56 stand out in the crowded mid-range market. One of the more surprising changes comes in the camera department. The Galaxy A56 is expected to swap the Galaxy A55's 32-megapixel front-facing camera for a 12-megapixel sensor. While this might seem like a downgrade on paper, Samsung is likely prioritizing quality over sheer megapixel count. Improved sensor technology and software enhancements are expected to deliver sharper, more vibrant selfies with natural color reproduction, ensuring your photos truly shine. But the upgrades don't stop at hardware. Samsung is also focusing on software longevity. The Galaxy A56 is rumored to receive extended software update support, giving users access to new features and security updates for several years. This approach not only adds value but also ensures that the device remains relevant well into the future. The Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be more than just another mid-range phone. It's a thoughtful upgrade that combines improved connectivity, performance, and design with long-term usability. For those seeking a reliable, stylish device with modern features, this phone might just be the perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on Samsung's latest innovations. We'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 is stirring up buzz in the tech world, particularly around its rumored support for the Ki-2 wireless charging standard. Ki-2 represents the next step in charging technology, promising seamless connections with magnetic alignment for accessories like chargers and wallets. But with Samsung, things are rarely straightforward, and the story of Ki-2 on the Galaxy S25 comes with a twist. The Ki-2 wireless charging standard, introduced a couple of years ago, was a game-changer. Inspired by Apple's MagSafe, it introduced the magnetic power profile, a system that ensures perfectly aligned charging every time. Devices boasting the Ki-2 logo are guaranteed to include this feature, opening up a world of magnetic accessories and making charging more efficient and reliable. Naturally, the idea of seeing this cutting-edge technology on Samsung's flagship had fans excited. However, leaked details suggest Samsung might take a slightly unconventional approach. Recent reports revealed a list of official Galaxy S25 accessories, including something called a magnet case. At first glance, this seemed like confirmation that the Galaxy S25 would support Ki-2 with magnetic alignment. But digging deeper, it appears this case, not the foam itself, might be the key to unlocking the feature. This revelation has sparked debate among Samsung enthusiasts,